with another video. And this video, I am waxing these eyebrows. These bad boys are growing very out of control. Okay, so yes, we're about to wax these things. And yeah, I'm gonna do a little tutorial because my eyebrows are a little bit different than other people's eyebrows. So yeah, I'm about to show y'all how I wax my eyebrows, because maybe somebody out here probably got eyebrows like me. If you do, like this video, because I need to know, am I the only one with these eyebrows? Because they bushy, they grow in different like ways, and they very coarse. Y'all can see this part of my eyebrow grows this way, okay? This part grows down. This part goes like this. This part goes like up. So yeah, they are very wild. So it's a little tricky with my eyebrows. So first thing first, I am going to get some gel. Yes, I said gel. Edge control gel, whatever you want to call it. And this is a little hack if y'all want that little I think it's called fixation look, that straight look with your eyebrows. All right, so this is my eyebrows. Slick. Whoo, them things. So I'm gonna brush it up. Now y'all, if y'all want y'all eyebrows to be like this, use some edge control and then just wear it like this, but not like with the shape of the eyebrows, but y'all know what I mean. Like if y'all eyebrows is already uniformed. And look, my hairs is so long, y'all. Look at this. So the front, I'm gonna brush it up. I'm gonna get a new brush because this one is it got too much gel on it. All right. So with the first part, I am going to brush it and then cut straight. Brush it, cut straight. This part, it has to be waxed, so that's why it's not really even. So yeah. This brush cut right here. All right, so now I have those sides done. Now I'm going to cut this side, okay? All right, so this is the way that my hair grows, like this. But if you see, it does not look cute. So I like to brush it up and then cut instead of brushing down then cutting. I want my eyebrows hairs to be up, not like drooping. So I hope y'all understand what I'm saying. So this is just the cutting part. All right. That's all I'm gonna cut for right now, because I don't want to cut too much, because I still want it to still see a little bit of a guide. So now I'm gonna go on this side. Like I said, this does not go down. Like if I go down, it's just gonna curl. So I'm going to brush it up. All right. Now I have that cut. You don't see the point anymore from before, so that's good. Now I'm going to brush it down. And y'all see these little heads right here? We gonna wax down. And y'all, I'm so mad. I had brought a whole bunch of, hold on, my baby's crying. Come here. Come here. Uh-oh. What's wrong? Say hi. No, don't put that in your mouth. Say hi. Say wave to everybody. I'm in the mirror, y'all, so. Yeah, I do not like this wax part that I had. So since I laid it on this way, I'm gonna rip it this way. So hold the skin taut. And oh, I hate when I don't get a perfect wax. Oh. So when I do brush it up, it's just smooth. So that's the little trick that I do. It's just brushing it down and getting the little hairs right there. So you're gonna press it down. And like I said before, what I do is I hold the skin taut, then rip, and then just put a finger on it just to relieve any pain that you might be feeling. It's clean. And that's how it looks from that angle. And you can already see from before that it is way more defined than it was before. So now I am about to, all right, if y'all can see my guide, I want my eyebrows to go like this. So right here, it's all to take away from. And then also, like I said, I like my eyebrows thick, so I'm not going to take off too much hair right here. Get this. All right, you see the little head curving? I'm just going to cut that. All right, on to the next eyebrow. So remember when I said we did the first step, which was cutting. Now we're going to brush all the hairs down so we can get so I cleaned it up. Now I'm going to finish doing right here, and then I will be done with my eyebrows. My eyebrows aren't equally the same, like they literally are different, but it's whatever. Like no eyebrows are twin sisters. And I'm just going to this one, I'm not really gonna wax too much, but yeah, this is my eyebrows. Now I'm about to clean it up, and then I'm gonna put the edge wax on there, and then I'm gonna show you the finished results, and that is it, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Right, so now these are my eyebrows with the eyebrow wax gel on it. As you can see, they are much better than before. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial on how to wax eyebrows if they are bushy and if they grow in opposite directions. Okay, so this is it with a little bit of concealer under it. This concealer don't match my face, but that's okay. And yeah, it is very much looking better. So that is the ending of my video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If y'all have any questions, put it in the comments. Make sure y'all don't forget to like and subscribe, okay? Because I got more videos, more contents coming up soon. And I hope you guys have a nice one. Bye.